Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is Indonesian fried chicken that we call Ayam Ungkep. Ayam Ungkep means pre-cooked, pre-seasoned chicken that you just store it in the fridge in the chiller fridge, and you can fry it whenever you need it or whenever you want it. And normally or originally it is for deep fried chicken. But for the following recipe, I am using air fryer. It's crispy, it's yummy, it's tasty, it's the same goodness as when you deep fry it with less calories. Check out the video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Ayam goreng ungkep. So in the pot, I have 1 lemongrass, 2 salam leaves, which is Indonesian bay leaf, 2 teaspoons. You're gonna add adjust the flavoring. 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder. While we're gonna make a paste out of 1 medium size of onion, 5 garlic, 5 candle nut, no substitution, 1 thumb of ginger. While for the spice powder, I have quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of galangal powder, half teaspoon of coriander, and quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper. And add about 400 milliliter of water. Now we're gonna mix it in a blender until completely combined. Pour the paste into the pot. So again, this is 1 lemongrass, 2 salam leaves, which is Indonesian bay leaves, and spice paste. With 400 milliliter of water. The spice paste is consist of 1 medium onion, 5 garlic, 5 candle nuts, no substitute, 1 thumb of ginger, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of galangal powder, half teaspoon of ground coriander, quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper. Now add in chicken pieces. This is about 1.7 kilogram. I don't use my chicken. In Canada, we don't use our chicken pieces. I know in Europe and in Asia, we wash or rinse our chicken, but not in Canada because we are taught washing chicken in our sink is really dangerous because of salmonella. But if you'd like to wash your chicken, I know other countries wash their chicken, it's up to you, obviously. Now we just want to kind of stir or coat each chicken, and then we're gonna turn on our stove. We want to ungkep. What the term we use in Indonesia is ungkep. We want to cook it on slow heat until all the spices absorbed and chicken cooked through. So cover with lid and again cook it on medium low heat until cooked through. Once chicken's done, take it out from the pot and you can store it in the fridge. Cool it to room temperature first and then store it in the fridge, and they're good to be fried. There you go. Your ayam ungkep, pre-flavored and cooked chicken is ready to be fried. And your leftover of bumbu paste, spice, can be used to flavor your tofu. Now the chickens are ready to be fried. You can use deep fryer or air fryer, it's up to you. So it's at 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Oh, and look at that. It smells wonderful. There you go. Air fryer fried chicken using ayam goreng ungkep, Indonesian style.